So the topic today is, let me check it. Mm, Shopping and climate change. Okay, shopping and climate change. Let's start it now, and let's talk about let's say shopping or shops. So what type of shops are there in town where you live?
Um, I live in Kadiri,
Mm-hmm,
and I think this is not like rural.
mm-hmm,
So if you want to find the big ones like in the big city, I think
mm-hmm,
there is not a kind like that.
mm-hmm.
Because but in Kadiri, it has a good, I mean, a good mall that a little bit big if we want to find something that we need for our daily necessity. We have three kind of mall.
Okay. Okay, thank you. So do people there prefer to use small local shops or the larger change?
Mm, it depends on their economic condition. Maybe for the rich person, they tend to buy their needs in a supermarket because it offers uh, clean it's clean, and they can uh, find some import things, and uh, the price is not, they don't have to bargain the price. But for the common people, I mean the uh, low economic, they have to go to market, that traditional market, because the price is lower than
Mhm.
supermarket ones, and they can bargain.
Okay, thank you. So is shopping something like you do, or do you see as a tiresome chores?
I
So
mean,
is shopping is something
um,
like you do, or do you see as a the tiresome activities or tiresome chores?
I always go to the market, but I don't have a certain market that I have to go daily. Because I have to see the condition if I want to buy maybe like fruit or vegetable. I have to go to the local market. I mean traditional one. But if I want to see something that to find something that like shampoo or maybe soap, then I have to go to supermarket one because they offer a lot of brands than the local market.
Okay, thank you very much. So what types of offers or discounts do your local shops offer to attract customers?
Uh, they always offer some discount for
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm,
a certain brand, but not always for like daily necessity, like maybe that food that we have to consume every day, but like vegetable or fruit, rice, they always have a fixed price. But if come to some brand, I mean the big brand, they sometimes they offer us like branded product. They branded product, some like buy two get one free.
okay. Okay, thank you very much. And now let's move on to speaking part two. Here we go. I send you the questions. Okay. So I would like to ask you to describe a climate of your country or region. So you should say what the negative effects of the climates are and the positive impact and what is your favorite season and explain the weather at different times of the year. Then you have 1 minute to prepare it. So let's start it now. Okay, let's start it now. It's already 1 minute, so you have 2 minutes to talk. Do not stop before you are being interrupted. Let's start it now. Okay.
Okay. I live in Indonesia, and it's have two weather. In here, we have the rainy season and the summer. And our climate is generally tropic, so we have a lot of sun, sun bright, and it's more advantageous for us because we can grow some vegetable, because we mostly our citizen is farmer, then they can do the job good if the in the tropical country. And then our positive impact is mostly we have a lot of vegetable and fruit. And we have a lot of more a lot of vegetable, various vegetable and fruit other than other countries. And the weather that we have to the weather is have a negative impact too, because if in rainy season, most of them, our farmer is not have a good result for their farm. And then more for our student too, they do not do our education well in school, mostly in our
Okay.
citizen too.
Okay, thank you very much, Miss Franz. Now let's move on to the next questions, right? So let's move on to the next questions. Let's talk about the roles of the climate. So which countries in the world are the most affected by the climate?
As I don't know where the country is depends on the climate, but I think that many countries depend on the climate. They always adjust their occupation by the climate. I mean that if, for example, as we are in Indonesia, more farmer you will find in Indonesia, because we can say that if we want to how to say, do everything, I mean right, or how to say, I cannot say menanam. I mean that if you want to do over the land, everything you want to do land, it will have a good result. I mean, they will sow many vegetable. Then I can say it easier than other people that not have a tropical climate.
Okay, thank you. So what role can technology play in reducing the effects of the climate on a country's population? So what roles can technology play in reducing the effects of the climate on a country population?
As I don't know, there is a technology can I mean exchange the climate, but maybe we have a glass house system for growing the vegetable here. So mostly if the weather is the problem for farmer, we can use glass house as a optional system for their for vegetable result.
Okay, thank you. And now let's talk about climate change. So do you think that we are doing enough to combat the man's influence the climate change?
Combat the man's?
Yeah. So do you think that we are doing enough to combat a man's influence on the climate change? So do you think that we already have the solution to overcome the problems of the climate change?
I don't have any idea about that, because I think that climate cannot be changed by technology or human. As we know, maybe we can reduce the negative effect by, for example, as I said earlier, that glass house is an optional system for our farmer. I mean that if the weather is not good for their job, they can use glass house for their optional job.
Okay, thank you. So how far is it the taxpayer are being asked to contribute to environmental effort?
I mean, tax is
Taxpayer. Okay.
Tax higher.
Taxpayer. So the taxpayers are being asked to contribute to the environmental effort. So how far?
Okay. I mean, tax is one of the most important factor for the country to improve their living. I mean, for all the sector of the country is afforded by our tax that we have to pay for the country, and then the government will use it for public facilities, and they can use for the citizen. I mean, for the citizens, they can use it for improve the technology to make the citizen more comfortable in their life.
Okay, thank you. And then certain countries are more affected by climate change compared to the others? Yes, so are certain countries more affected by climate change compared to others?
Maybe no. Every country, as I said earlier, every country depend on their climate, and we cannot compare the climate because it always have its advantages and it always have disadvantages.
Okay.
It depends on how we overcome the both of them. So as a government, we have as a government we have some rule, and we just have to follow. And then, I mean, for example, in Indonesia, government is always say that they always give us give the farmer what's that?
Mm-hmm.
They always teach the farmer how to do the job by technology,
Mm-hmm.
the better one, so they can have the good result for their plan.
Okay, thank you very much. This is the enough of the speaking section. So here are the questions that I shared to you today. I take it from ESL Lounge. So the question is a little bit hard, and I know because the way you answer the question is not full developed. So what type of soft are the town in your town where you live? So you answer the questions, but when it comes to the questions number 2, it is not. I'm not sure if you answer the questions because you talk about imported brands and so on. So this is the comparison between traditional or the supermarket one. So and then number 3 also you not so I'm sure that you this the problem sometimes come up with you tiresome. Jadi kalau ada tire itu dari kata tired, capek. Apakah jadi maksudnya adalah is shopping like you like to do or do you see as a tiresome? Shopping jadi hobi kita, pastime, activity kita atau sesuatu yang dipaksakan. So tiresome chores artinya tiresome itu dari kata tired, capek, I'm tired. Ini chore kegiatan yang melelahkan. Tadi missing di sini juga. And then what types are of offers discount? So this is you answer the questions because you answer buy one get two. Okay.
Yes.
Tadi Miss bilang buy one and get two. Okay. So buy one and get two. Apalagi offer discounts? 50%. So you can talk about 50% discount, 70% discounts. Buy one get two, right? Okay, thank you. And then here we go. When it comes to the climate change, you mentioned
is a hard question that
yeah.
I can.
So that's why I give you this one. So you can go back to the questions and learn and watch the video and make sure that di sini sepertinya yang saya tidak begitu yakin. So let me develop this one. Climate change in your countries. What is the negative effects of the climate change? So not well developed. Di sana Miss bilang we want to do everything. Aduh, masuk. If we want to do everything, I don't know. So you mentioned, I don't know why you mentioned many times vegetable. Bukan vegetable, tapi vegetable. Cuma ada dua tekanan. Vegetable. Bukan vegetable. Bukan 3, tapi 2. Vegetable. So what is the negative effect of climate change? Climate change is weather is changing all the time. Unpredictable. Okay, and what is the positive effect on the climate change? We don't need to wait for a long time to change the season. That's the simple one. So a long time ago, when in Indonesia, if we wanted to have a rainy season or let's say hot season, so we needed to wait for 6 months. But yes, 6 months, and sometimes for some people it took time if they want to go holiday in a hot season. But nowadays, since the climate change, the weather is changing all the time. So I think it's that's the positive one. So we don't need to wait for a long time. Seperti itu. So what is your favorite season? So bisa dibilang both seasons I like to do so. Kenapa? So, and explain the weather in different times. Explain the weather in different times of the years. Then you can talk about, so in Indonesia, we just have two seasons. So the seasons affects the weather. So if it's not hot and it's going to be rainy, then you need to discuss
weather sama season sama ya, sir?
Yes, karena kita nggak bisa bedakan di Indonesia. So because we talk about in Indonesia, right? So yeah.
Kalau di luar negeri bedanya apa memang?
So for the weather that we have to discuss, weathernya ada apa? Hot weather. Kalau season dia ada 4 season, right? Ada season winter dan sebagainya. But even we have a winter and also apalagi winter? Selain winter?
Autumn.
No, yang sama-sama dingin. Yang sama-sama dingin. So we have a winter. So winter, kalau we have a spring, summer, autumn itu sama-sama panas kan? So but in autumn or maybe in summer we still have the rainy. season. Kita ada biasanya hujan di autumn, di summer, right? Jadi even the summers we still have a rainy, right? So that's the point. So in Indonesia, you just talk about some in Indonesia because let's say we don't have any experience related to the weather in a different country. That's the point that you need to do. So okay. So jadi kalau misalnya kita session, we have a 2 session. So weather. So what about the weather? So only we have a 2 in Indonesia. We have
summer.
Yes,
Rainy.
yes, summers and rainy, and those are the same things, right? So okay. So and then let's move on to this one. Miss bisa lihat di sini kan weather dan season, right? Miss bisa lihat di sini weather dan season. So weathernya season sama aja. Tapi di Indonesia kita tidak ada. Sip, you nanti bisa nonton di sini. Nanti saya kirimkan lagi. Di Indonesia kita nggak ada. Winter season. You see di sini weathernya ada winter. Seasonnya ada winter dan sebagainya. Kemudian weathernya ada hujan dan panas doang. Right. Okay. Sekarang kita move di sini. So let's move on to the role of the climate. So which country in the world are the most affected by the climate? So because we don't have any experience, I think we just focus on the ASEAN. Misalnya. So ASEAN, so I think all the ASEAN countries are the most affected by the climate. I don't know about the Europe because I have no experience. Miss bisa ngomong seperti itu. I have no experience related to this one. But so most ASEAN country because climate change affects all the country. In Indonesia and also in Malaysia, close to the country. So we just have 2 seasons and we have the same season and weather. But the changing all the time compared to in the past. Jadi nanti Miss tinggal cerita aja. And then here we go. What the roles of the technology? Nanti Miss bisa lihat lagi. Roles of technology-nya apa? Misalnya tadi you bilang apa? Glass house.
Yes.
Sorry, saya coba lagi. Nanti Miss bisa lihat lagi. So technology in reducing the effects. Miss bisa lihat lagi. Bentar saya Google dulu, baru kita bisa lihat sama-sama di layar.
Selain itu apa ya? Saya tadi juga mikir, aduh, yang kebayang itu rumah kaca aja.
Yes. So we have rumah kaca. Apalagi selain we have rumah kaca. So we have 5 technology can solve climate. So we have more than this one. So it is not that one. Oh, they don't have this one. So technology that they do not use like frozen. So technology that cannot use frozen, or maybe technology like how we call so let me show you this one. This is also natural wind and gas. This can be also, or that sunproof. Do you know sunproof? Jadi yang bisa menyedot matahari. So they try not to use more electricity. This is
iya.
Yes.
Solar apa ya?
Solar panels. Solar panels. Solar panels or sunproof, just say it's a sunproof or solar panels, right? This is kind of technology that can be used to this one, all right? So technology reducing effect. Jadi reducing effect. So also you have a refrigerator. Do you know refrigerator?
Yes.
Refrigerator apa?
Kulkas.
And also air conditioners. We have air conditioner or let's say refrigerator that save the environment. It means that they do not use more carbon or frozen. Sebenarnya banyak saja. Atau apalagi misalnya yang di dapur kita yang tidak banyak menggunakan let's say karbon. Apalagi kira-kira yang di rumah kita yang bisa can help us but close to the general one. So we have a solar panels. Apalagi solar panels, so air conditioner, refrigerator. Excuse me?
Kipas angin.
Kipas angin, yes, kipas angin. They have the electricity but the electricity can be taken from the solar panels. Good. Thank you. And this one, combat, it means that combat, kalau Miss lihat di sini, combat itu sama dengan tackle.
Yes.
Combat itu sama dengan tackle. Nih, combat, fighting, action preventive. Can you see there?
Yes.
Oke, sama dengan tackle, sama dengan solution sebenarnya ini. Sebenarnya kalau kita paraphrase, do you think we are doing enough solution to tackle the climate? Jadi kata man di sini itu bukan laki-laki. We couldn't even translate it as a laki-laki. So we couldn't say do combat. Man is when the manusia. We translate manusia or those who raise this problem. So do you think we are doing enough to combat people do the climate change? I think yes. Salah satu contohnya adalah the way we use apa? The previous technology. Kita menggunakan previous technology that we have mentioned, air conditioner, solar roof, atau misalnya solar panels, and apalagi, so the way we use plastic bags. No? Plastic bags. Apalagi misalnya the way we use, like say, apalagi renewable energy. So instead of you use fossil fuel kan nanti berpengaruh. So we use renewable energy. So banyak cara di sini. That's great. So what about this one? How far is taxpayer are being asked to contribute the environmental effort? Di sini, Miss juga belum. Miss kalau belanja di Indomaret, beli plastik kan?
Oh yeah.
This can be. Because we need to pay for 200 rupees for taxpayer. Okay. So we call this one taxpayer, right? So how far is it? Atau kita belanja di Giant dan sebagainya. So we need to pay for the plastic use, plastic bags. Apalagi kira-kira? Aku bantu carikan di internet. Apalagi kira-kira? Taxpayer. Aku ganti di sini sessionnya. Apalagi selain plastik? Nggak ada. Misalnya text to, aku kasih contoh. Tadi plastik, text to environment. Kalau misalnya kalau misalnya kita belanja di mana? Belanja di Starbucks, kalau misalnya kita bawa our own tumbler, then we will our own tumbler, then we will not get pay for the some tax. Nah, jadi seperti itu. Di sini pricing atau betul kan yang berhubungan sama footprint. Nih, yang berhubungan sama footprint. So to reduce yang berhubungan sama footprint plastik. Tadi, right? So apalagi pricing. Ini isunya memang sangat challenge. Yes. Oh, oke. Apalagi? Please, bentar saya ganti. Apalagi questionnya? Ya, how far is a taxpayer are being asked to contribute the environmental problem? Taxpayer, apalagi? Environmental problem? Ada lagi?
Karena taxpayer ini ya, kalau citizen masih lebih muda ya, Mister. Kalau
nggak apa-apa. Kasih kita jadikan aja, anggap saja bahwasanya semua citizens itu adalah taxpayer. Just we change lah. Ya kan, karena kan kita punya PPN, PPH kalau kita belanja kan, so kita termasuk taxpayer. So if you are being interrupted, kalau Miss terinterupsi dengan kata taxpayer, ganti aja dengan citizens.
Kalau misalkan kita buang sampah sembarangan kena denda, itu bisa nggak? Fine itu?
Fine bisa, but yes, fine bisa, taxpayer. Environmental effort bisa, taxpayer untuk buang sampah bisa masuk, kena fine kan? Tapi yang paling jelas tadi itu yang beli plastik.
Yang beli plastik.
Ya, so langsung kita di charge di tempat. Kalau you throw the rubbish, nanti waiting for you to be coached. Nanti tunggu ditangkap baru. So you need to pay. You need to pay the fine. And then, are certain country more affected to to climate change. So just simply say, I think it yes for European, but it is not for the Asian, because Asian simply a particular Southeast Asian, my country and the neighbor. So we just have a 2 season and 2 weather. So I think it's even the climate change, the weather or the season changes all the time, doesn't impact our climates there, because we just have a 2 compared to the Western country, because Western country they have a 4 season, and the 4 season affect their activity all the time. Kita mungkin karena di Asian people tidak di Southeast Asian, the Southeast Asian is not a big impact compared to Western. So I will send
Tadi
it this.
Saya sebetulnya mau ngomong gini loh, tapi saya tuh nggak tahu istilahnya.
Apa?
Biasanya kalau orang bule itu kalau mau keluar rumah pagi kerja, mereka harus cek weather forecast, weather
Yes, the
dulu
forecast.
hari ini apa bisa, kalau ada kemungkinan hujan mereka kan harus bawa payung.
Iya,
Kan
forecast.
Tadi aku mau ngomong itu tapi nggak bisa ngomongnya.
Just say weather forecasting, right? Ramalan cuaca kan?
Iya, kalau kita di sini kan nggak usah ngecek gitu kan, Mister.
Iya.
Nggak perlu ngecek gitu. Jadi mereka mau tentukan pakai baju apa, itu kerja harus lihat itu dulu.
Makanya nanti Miss bisa bilang, so Western country, jadi bisa bilang aja, so out of Southeast Asian country. Yeah, instead of out of Southeast Asian country, I think it's more countries affect this one, because they need to check the weather for forecast before they do this one. So I'll send it to you, this one, the questions. I think thank you very much for today. See you tomorrow.
Yes. So Pastor, I want to inform you, maybe for my rest
class,
bonus speaking class, I can attend because I have to do my shop. It's very busy.
Okay.
And then I can have to cancel the speaking class.
Okay. So
I think I still have 3.
You have a 3. It's up to you. You can do it whatever. Yeah. Just let me know when you are ready. So tomorrow we don't have any class.
Yes, Mister.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. Tomorrow, if you don't have any class, it's fine. Just let me know. Or once you are ready, then we're going to have the last 3. Yeah. So when you are free. Okay.
Thank you, Mister.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you, Miss Francis.